Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that little light. It looks like a little wrench on your dashboard. That's the maintenance reminder light. So now that you're doing your own maintenance, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Alright guys, this is the light I'm talking about right here. If you get this light, that means you have to reset the maintenance reminder. Now if you go to the dealership, they're going to do it for you, but if you get your oil changed by somebody else or you do it yourself, you have to reset it yourself. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, I got the engine off. First thing you want to do is turn the ignition to the on position, which is the second position. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get all these lights on and stuff. It's going to say service. If it happens to be over here, let's say, just keep pressing this button until you get to this where it says service. Now you're going to press the button for about 10 seconds. Now that's saying it's 5,600 miles overdue. I did the service, I just never reset the light. Okay, so now our oil life is blinking. Okay, now let it go and press it again. Hold on. Press it again for another 5 seconds. Okay, boom, you're to 100 and the light went off. Okay, all right guys, that was pretty simple, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.